Hey guys, this is very interesting question. 1 is to 4 as 3 is to what? Find a missing number. Okay, 1 is to 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4, right? Okay, and 3 plus 3 equals 6. Option A 12, B 13, C 14, D 15. And this is 6. Okay, so 1 times 5 equals 5, right? And minus 1 equals 4. Now 3 times 5 equals 15, minus 1 equals 14. So